Hey, what's up, guys? This is I2TheBath back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about similar triangles, and we're going to be finding the missing side. Assuming that you learned about corresponding sides, I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but for some reason I go longer in my videos because I do want to spend time on it, but I'm going to try my best this time. So talk about corresponding sides really quick. Here you have triangle CAT is similar or congruent to DOG. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the corresponding sides. So you have CA is congruent to DO equals AT is the corresponding side to OG equals, we can say TC is corresponding to GD. So you have these corresponding sides, and keep in mind when we're talking about similar triangles, and if you remember from class, we have corresponding sides, we have the same proportion, and notice that when we set up the proportions, it's a ratio or a fraction that are equal. Alright, and so in this case, the corresponding sides once again are CA is corresponding to DO, AT is corresponding to OG, and TC is corresponding to GD in this case. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the information that's given to us here in these triangles, and we want to find the missing side. Well, the missing side that we want to look for is X, okay? So let's use the information that we have so that we can be able to set up the proportion and find X. So when I look here, I see that side TC is given, which is equal to 12, and GD side is also given, and then you have AT and OG. So I'm just going to fill in that information here. So let's start off here. AT is going to be equal to 20. OG is equal to X. TC is equal to 12. And then GD is equal to 3. Alright. Alright, so here we have a proportion. So the question that you want to ask yourself, well, how can I solve for X? Well, this is something basic that we should be able to remember, and that's cross multiplication, okay? So cross multiplying is going to let me multiply X by 12, which is going to give me 12X, equal to 20 times 3, which is going to give me 60. So now down to a basic one-step equation. That's why I always tell my kids, like, this information build up on top of each other. So this is a one-step equation that we already should know how to, assuming that we know how to solve. But if not, let's do it quickly. So 12 and X, 12 times X, that represents multiplication. And the inverse of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide only by the coefficient here, and the coefficient is 12, so I'm going to divide by 12 on both sides, which is going to give us X is equal to 5. So here X is equal to 5. So what we want to see is that we know that proportions are equal, and in order for this triangle to be similar, they have to be equal. So let's go ahead and let's see if that's equal. So you have 20 over 5 is equal to 12 over 3. When we divide that, we get 4 is equal to 4. So that checks out. So this is how we find the missing sides of a similar triangle. I hope this video helped you all. So make sure you pause it, stop it, do what you need to do, and go back so that it can help you. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel, Teacher with a Kid. I don't know if you hear the noise in the background, but hence that's why it's called Teacher with a Kid, because I just can't control the background right now. But yeah, so you guys have a great day, and if you have any questions, please feel free to come in the comment box below, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.